Jai Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about why we should not feel shy about caste system and how to counter these people who are always continuously pester Hinduism about caste system and Varna system. In this video, I am going to tell you about why we should not feel shy about caste system and Varna system and how to counter these people who are always continuously pester Hinduism about caste system and Varna system. Any Hindu should not shy away from caste system at any cost, and we should always counter question about these people, about their own religion and their own religious groups in other religions. There are 72 castes in Christianity, 8 castes in Islam, 44 castes in Buddhism. We should always counter these stupid people that why your religions have caste first. Before asking our own religion, first you tell me about why are you having about caste in your religion, like 72 castes in Christianity, 8 castes in Islam, 44 castes in Buddhism. In Christianity, if you take Christianity, there are castes like Catholics, Protestants, Eastern Orthodoxies, Anglicans, Oriental Orthodoxies, Assyrians, Restorations, like that. There are other groups also like this: Adventists, Baptists, Congregationalists, Lutherans, Methodists, Pentecostals, Presbyterians. Like that, there are also one violent caste like born again Christian. These are high violent Christian group who are doing high level violence in Africa. Another caste there are other castes in Christianity like Anabaptist, Unitarian, Calvinist, Roman Catholics, and black people churches. Like this, there are around 72 castes in Christianity, and they don't go to others church. One caste don't go to others church, and other caste don't go to this church, like this, and they don't marry each other. And these 22 caste groups in Christianity, they don't marry each other, and we should always counter them that why you people have 72 castes in your Christianity first. After that, we will tell about ours. There is same thing about Islam. If we go to Islam, there are 8 castes in Islam, like Sunni, Shia, Ahmadiyya, Wahhabism. Like that, there are 8 castes in Islam, and one caste people don't go to other people's mosque, and they don't marry each other. Like that, there are around 8 castes in Islam. There are high level violence between Sunnis and Shias in the Iraq, Iran, and Turkey. Like that, in many places in the world. In many places in the world, there are high level violence between Sunnis and Shias in the world, and they always try to kill each other like that. We always question these Muslims about their caste first, and we should always say untouchability is better than killing each other. If you, in the case of Buddhism also, it is same. In case of Buddhism also, it is same. There was only one Buddha, and now there are around 44 castes in 44 sects in Buddhism. In Buddhism, around 44 castes are there. We should always counter these people. Why you have caste in your religion first, rather than continuously pointing us. In Europe, people from rich families don't mingle with each other. Don't mingle with labor people. If you go to Europe, in there, people from rich families, they don't mingle with labor people, and they practice untouchability towards labor people. It is everywhere in the world. First, we have to recognize that caste or varnas in Hinduism are not birth based. It is for suitability for work. Just like there are business people's group in Europe which they don't allow other people to their meetings, like that. There are many labor unions in the country and in the world because as a one person they can't fight about their wages and other things, but as a labor union they can change the rules in the industry. Because of that, there are many labor unions in India and everywhere in the world. If you think about in Hinduism, Valmiki, who wrote Ramayana, is from ST caste and he became Maharshi. And Vedavyasa is from fisherman caste and he wrote Bhagavatam and Mahabharata and Vedas, and many Hindu granthas were written by him. Vedas are highest in Hinduism, written by Maharshi Vedavyasa. He is from Matsyakara caste. And Ramayana revered by all, written by Valmiki, he is from ST caste, Boya caste, etc. Like there are many things are in Hinduism, like many people from lower caste people, they were revered in Hinduism. They wrote many shastras in Hinduism. We should always know that caste was never birth based in Hinduism. It was just professional convenience like Karmika union, business union, teachers union, etc. After the Muslims and British rule, it became so rigid in the society. Untouchability is that if someone doing wrong things in the union, there are unions. If someone is doing wrong things in the union, all union people they give untouchability as a punishment for few days to these people who are doing wrong things. Untouchability is like if someone doing wrong things in the union, they give this untouchability punishment for few days to teach him lesson. Jai Gurudev.